This is Igbo area
Hello. Welcome. Have you heard about Egodibia? Sincerely, I want to commend Nnamdi Kanu and Ipob. Recently, I saw a blueprint for the proposed Biafra. I love the package. I said, these people got something great. These guys are doing a very great job. Oh my, I pray Biafra will come. I pray Biafra will come. Meanwhile, I don't know where I lost the material, but there's a particular thing that I saw again that struck me. It made me love these guys, and I wish Biafra will come. How many of us has seen the War Museum in Abia State? The War Museum in Abia State. How do you feel the first time or each time you approach that place or see pictures of the contents of that place? You feel great to know that these are inventions of Biafrans. And they are even emergency inventions. Imagine a relaxed Biafra, a Biafra that has been achieved. No more fighting. But I want to tell you, what you saw in Abia Museum or what you see in Abia Museum is even not to be compared with the level of what you see when we get Biafra. Have you heard about Egodibia? This is a new Biafran system of writing. It was invented by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and his elite SIA team. This is Egodibia. It was designed by a group of hardcore undercover Biafran agents working with Nnamdi Kanu. They call themselves SIA. Egodibia is a system of writing invented for the Biafra Africa people. It was created on the 12th of February 2013. It has 33 letters and can encode over 2,532 languages and 326 computer machine code languages. It's the first of its kind, designed to replace the long-forgotten Nsibidi of the ancient Biafra Empire that existed over 5,000 years ago. Thanks for listening to Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. You can also visit our Facebook page and like the page. Visit our group. Join the Igbo Area TV group. They are all the same name, Igbo Area TV. God bless you and bye for now.